As I learn to live this life without Mr. C, I'm choosing progress over perfection. God isn't asking me to be whole, just to trust Him with the next small step. In the quiet of healing, I've begun to rediscover pieces of joy, like decorating again, and my love for fall. The crisp air, the warm colors on the porch, the way this season feels like both an ending and a beginning. It reminds me that beauty can exist right alongside grief. Some days I stand, some days I crumble, but as long as I keep getting back up, moving forward, and trusting God with the rest, then that to me is enough. I've wanted to replace this old light fixture for years. The glass panes were missing, it wasn't very bright, and it looked like wasps had once called it home. My son helped me take it down and install a new, slightly larger and brighter fixture. That one simple change made a huge difference on this porch. I only wish I'd done it sooner. For decorating, I challenged myself to use only what I already owned. I created a mood board and realized I could get pretty close to the look I wanted without buying anything new.
Miss Scarlett, what did you do? You broke that. You broke that. I'm gonna have to take that out of your allowance. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
These chairs have definitely been through it. Hank chewed on them years ago, so I painted them black about 3 years back. They're showing somewhere again, but I don't mind. I actually love the imperfections, and I don't see the point in spending time or money repainting them. While I was decorating the porch, my son was pressure washing the walkway. The last time we did that was about 5 years ago. The difference it made to the brick was incredible. We took turns working on it, and even though it took nearly half a day and left us sore, it was absolutely worth it.
In my mood board, I have the black urn with pumpkins in it. I don't have any pumpkins I want to put outdoors. The only ones I have are my really nice Pottery Barn glass pumpkins. Not putting those out here just because of Hank. But I did find these gourds downstairs, and I have all the dried florals. Plus, I do have the faux-looking mums. The mums were given to me by a company. Didn't have to do a video for it, just an online review, so that is fantastic. But we're going to kind of put some of these together to see if we can get anything close to what the mood board looks like.
bought these garden trellises last fall, and like so many of my project supplies, they ended up sitting in my stash unused. I tend to get excited about a project, buy everything I need, and then life happens. But I finally used them, and I'm so glad I did. They added height, character, and since they resemble pumpkins, they fit perfectly with my fall porch. I can't wait to style these planters again for Christmas using them. My lanterns are about 5 years old and were covered in dirt, so I decided to pressure wash them. I ended up removing most of the paint, and I love it because the beautiful wood now shows through. They almost look brand new. And speaking of unfinished projects, about 7 years ago, I took down the pediment above the door because I didn't like the style. Now, Mr. C warned me not to remove it until I had a replacement. But of course, I thought I knew better. Looking back, the pediment was actually really nice. My style has changed over the years, and I really regret taking it down. But I'm finally going to replace it, either with buying a new one or having my middle son help me build one from scratch. This new light fixture is definitely brighter than the old one, so bright that I had to take out 4 of the bulbs. It looked like I was lighting the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree on my front porch.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our 2 outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see.